Well, hey there everybody, Nancy Chapin here with Windermere Mount Baker. It is a kind of blustery day here at 8515 30th Avenue Northwest in the amazing neighborhood of North Beach, which is, if you're not familiar with the Seattle neighborhoods, we're just a little bit further north from, it sort of goes Ballard, Crown Hill. Probably some of you who know this neighborhood even better than me are going to clarify there's a few other things in between. But we are just off of 85th on 30th. And this house just came on the market last night or yesterday afternoon, so we're doing our first brokers open right now. Hey Cassie, oh, you guys should move back to Seattle and come live here. I think that's what you should do. Anyways, I love doing these because I want to give people the opportunity to see the house before you get in the car and come across town, or maybe you know somebody. Last week we were able to forward this walking tour to a gal in Maine who was interested in that other listing we had. So it's been really fun. So I'm just gonna walk out here a little bit and give you the full view of this beautiful front of the house. So we've got a nice little picket fence. I'm gonna see how I can tip this, get you a better view. Well, I think you're just going to have to look at the pictures and stuff. So thank you again for joining us, all of you. And so come on in and take a look around with me, would you? So we've got parking in the front here, as well as a driveway that goes into a wonderful one-car garage that's quite spacious. We've got this amazing, huge, I don't think I can tip the camera enough to get, oh wait, there you go. Wait, there you go. Hey Phil, look at this amazing willow tree we have here. Phil Greeley, I love that you're on here. So one of the amazing things about this house is that it was built in 1938. So those of you who know your real estate, you know in Seattle, tons of houses built in the 20s and teens, and then we kind of take a bump because, you know, there was a depression. Not a lot of houses built then. This one was. So come on in and take a look. It's beautiful. It's huge. It's a lot of house on a lot of lot. The lot is over 7,400 square feet. Hey, Mary Jo, thanks so much for joining us. So come on in. So one of the first fabulous things when you walk in this house is that it actually has an entry. So when I come in, shut the door, so right behind me you get this great leaded glass window that really lightens up the entryway into the stairs. So I'm coming through the entry, and then we're in this huge living room with Julie Beal being a big old goofball in the back. Imagine that. I love that. And so we've got this great ton of light, bank of windows. As I said, it is the lot is over 7,400 square feet, and the house itself is about 3,000 square feet. So what you're looking at now is a gorgeous, and remember, because I've got the back camera on my phone, all of this is flipped. So when you come look at the house, which I know you will, Phil and Mary Jo, and okay, maybe Cassie, not you, because you're on the other side of the world. But when you come look at the house, it'll be the flip. Anyways, and this great old world charm. So one of the cool things about this house, look at the crown molding. It is really unusual, and I don't know this for an absolute fact, but I think the uniqueness of that may be because it was built in 1938, and we don't see that very often. So we've also got radiators for radiant heat, and great finish trim, as you can see in the fireplace behind me. Most of the windows are new vinyl windows. Julie, come here. Now, remember, you want to look in the camera, which is right there. So what do you want to tell people about this amazing listing? Because you know this house amazingly well.
It's a really great house. Where do I look?
Right there.
Okay,
there's
hi everybody. It's a great house, 2,600 square feet, huge lot. You've probably already said that.
Talking about the lot.
Just north of 85th.
Told him that.
North. So what should I tell them?
How many bedrooms have we got?
4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and really fun backyard for parties. I've been here for many parties, and they get the little chimenea on the deck, and it's totally private with all the hedges and the mature landscaping. And it's just like you feel like you're in the country, and you're just north of 85th, so it's great.
Love it. Hey, Carrie, I'm glad.
Hi, guys.
Love you're loving our videos. So here, I'm going to keep walking you through. So we get, again, it's all that cool touches that sometimes is hard to tell when you're looking at the marketing stuff. So that's why we want to give you this other opportunity to see the house. So here we walk into the dining room, which has got some great built-ins. It also has those beautiful old original leaded windows. I think that's it. And then check out this light. Oh my God, can I get the angle? Look at that, beautiful. Oh, I love that. And then you've got the French doors that go out onto the deck that has the built-in benches. So total, as Julie was saying, party central, great opportunity to be able to expand your indoor-outdoor living space significantly. So then as we go through our circular floor plan, we get to this great kitchen that is very roomy, but I'll tell you, it's poised for the perfect remodel coming in the future. So, but lots of space. You've got double ovens, so even if you didn't remodel it, you've got room for that turkey and apple pie at the same time. And somewhere along the line, not these owners, but someone else prior to them actually added this great sunroom off the back. So you've got, what have you got here? You got the little pass-through, I'm so tired. Why can't I put those words together? What is that? The bar, breakfast bar.
I'll step in.
Thank you.
This is the sunroom.
This is where you get the really polished Nancy Chapin here. Just like we were walking through a house, because those of you who've done tours with me, sometimes I get a little tongue-tied. So yeah, we're in the sunroom, which has this great space, flex space. You can use it for any number of possible things. And it's awesome on a sunny day or on a cloudy day when you want more light. And then look what you're looking out onto. A gorgeous, big, and as Julie said, private backyard. Okay, now we're gonna make our way down the hallway to a really cool addition on this house. So, and I know sometimes with a not wide angle lens, it's hard to see everything, but you've got your washer and dryer here. Sorry. No, you're fine. Just doing a little home tour. She's like, I don't want to be on Facebook. Don't make me. All right, so then here's the very cool addition. So big tall ceilings, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. And a lovely tiled finished bathroom, updated. Can you see that nicely behind me? And then wide hallway that leads back to like the magic room. It's not really magic, but you don't expect it out of the back of this house. So this addition has huge vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan, and all that does is give you great light. And as if that isn't enough, then you get a bank of windows on the south facing that look out onto the yard. So it's just such a great space. Hey Sandra, thanks for joining us. So if you guys have any questions or want me to show you something else again about the house or yard or any of that, please let me know. So, and in this amazing room, if I can turn around again, it comes with a Murphy bed. So the ability to have great flex space in this room is really accentuated from that. And it also then has a great big closet as well. It's not like a walk-in closet, but it's still quite sizable. So what are you thinking about this house? Like, is it just what you're looking for? Do you know anybody who wants it? The other thing is we have a separate exterior entrance here. So the possibility of you could add a little kitchenette to that back section, have it really be self-contained, maybe rent it, have a relative come live there, whoever it is, whatever you want to do. Okay, we're going to keep walking through the house because I'm just so excited to show you the rest of it. So we're back in the kitchen. We're going for our circular floor plan. So with that, again, more built-ins here, here. And then what house does not want a half bath, little powder room on the main floor? Awesome, awesome. Here's the garage. Okay, but can I show you my favorite part of the garage? Okay, the lights aren't on. So let's see if I can do this. Oh yeah. So we're in the garage. Now, most people don't get all that excited about a garage unless you don't have one, and then you would get very excited about a garage. So you've got all your mechanical stuff out here. But here's the part, come here. Here's the part that I am most excited about. So how many of you get dirty out in the yard? You're gardening, you're working on your car. Okay, I'm never working on my car, but I do garden. And I don't know about you, but when I come in from the gardening, I don't want to go to the kitchen all gross and dirty and mucky and to go wash my hands. It's got a utility sink in the garage. So you come in through the garage, you're filthy, you get clean. Okay, great storage all the way around. Am I the only one that gets excited about a utility sink in the garage? Clearly I am. But wait, there's more. We haven't even gotten, oops, let me turn off the light. We haven't even gotten upstairs to all the bedrooms. Come on, follow me. Oh wait, before we go there. So here's an interesting part about this house. So this closet has great possibility for doing something. It's a pass-through to the front entry, but you could conceivably split the space, have a pantry on this side, and a coat closet from the front door, or something else. But your creative eye could really do something for this space. I just know it. But come on, let's go look at the upstairs. So again, great original oak floors throughout the house. And then, wait, I'm gonna have to change my camera angle as we're going up the stairs. So much room up here. Here, I'm gonna go this way and try and give people a little privacy while they're looking at the house, because let's find the room without people in it. Okay, so here's the blue bedroom. So as you can tell, even with the pitched roof, which just gives it such great architectural character, there is ample room here, as well as great light, windows looking out into the yard. So this particular window looks out over the sunroom out into the yard. Beautiful closets. And then we're gonna go to what could be perhaps the master bedroom. Now this room is huge, 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 huge. And what I love, so it's got 1,000,000 closets, but it also has two, it's the space in the roof where you get 2 of the dormers. So again, just charming, spacious, and we're pretty excited about that. Thanks for sharing my video, Sandra. Maybe, do you know somebody who wants to buy this house? They could just call me. I'd give them an in-person tour. So anyway, so what's fun about this room is it is sizable. It's just got some cool lines and features to it, but it also has the room, just because it's spacious enough, that you could add a master bath up here and really make it an amazing master suite. But wait. There's another bedroom. We haven't gotten to the orange room. Hold on. Follow me. You're going to have to get the back of my head because I don't want to fall or run into people. Oh, you're totally fine. Okay, so we're heading this way. Hello there. Just doing a little tour here. Alrighty, so here's the bathroom on the upstairs. So again, plenty of room. Possibilities if you wanted to update it or not, just move in either way. And now we're going into the orange room. Hey Beth, you want to move to Seattle? You got friends in Seattle who want to move here? I love that. So here is the cool orange room. And here's what I like about this. So sometimes when people are looking at this type of house where you've got the slanted roof line, I've lived places, some of you know this, like where the top ceiling was like this tall, smack dab the middle, and you couldn't walk to both sides. This place has great ceiling height, even with the charming dormered ceilings. So this space is just cute as could be. You've got, again, one of the window facing north, and then one of the dormer windows that looks out onto the front as well. So we just came on the market yesterday. We'll be reviewing offers next week. Hey, Jackie. Hey Jackie, I'm just up the street from your old place. Just on the other side of 85th. I know, cool house, huh? I know you're wondering why didn't I do a Facebook Live of your house? I don't think there was Facebook Live then. Anyway, I'm gonna go back down the stairs and then we'll talk a little bit about this house and the neighborhood and what we're seeing in real estate these days. Forgive me for not doing anything other than focusing on the stairs so I don't fall as I'm walking down. So here's one of the crazy things If you are looking at real estate these days in the Seattle area, here are a couple of tips. One is make sure you are working with a really skilled professional. Now, if you don't happen to know somebody, Julie Beal and I could probably help you out. Because part of it is, it's as much about coming up with a strategy and a plan and making sure that you really are approaching this competitive environment in a way that's going to position you to be in a great place to be buying. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, if you at all have been thinking about selling or moving, whether it's next year or 5 years from now, check out the other video that I just posted this week about before you do anything. Because one of the things we are finding is that sometimes people wait too long to get us involved in the conversation about how to get the house ready for the market. And the last thing you want to do is go spend tens of thousands, sometimes upwards of $80,000 or $100,000 on improvements that really aren't going to get you the bang for the buck. So those are a couple of tips. Call us, and in the meantime, share this video. Come take a look at this house. It is really a great opportunity to get into a great spacious house with a lot in North Seattle in the North Beach neighborhood. So I think that wraps up our little Facebook Live private tour today. Thanks so much for joining us. Hope you have an awesome rest of the day. We'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye-bye.